Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Let me take you on a journey to a place you've probably never heard of but will never forget. Pir Gaib Waterfalls, hidden deep in the heart of Balochistan. Imagine this, crystal clear water cascading down rugged cliffs, surrounded by endless deserts and mystic landscapes. Sounds unreal, right? But trust me, it's very real. Pir Gaib, which literally translates to the hidden saint, is one of Pakistan's best-kept secrets, just waiting to be discovered. Getting here? Oh, that's an adventure in itself. Starting from Quetta, you'll drive through the legendary Bolan Pass, a historic winding road framed by towering cliffs and breathtaking views. And yes, you'll need a sturdy 4x4 to tackle the rocky terrain, but the moment you hear the distant roar of the waterfalls, you'll know it's all worth it. Legend has it that a holy man vanished near these falls, leaving behind this eternal spring. Whether you believe the story or not, standing in front of this natural masterpiece will definitely make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. The water? Oh, it's ice cold, the perfect escape from the scorching summer heat. And the best part? You can climb the rocks to explore different levels of the waterfall. Just a word of advice, those stones can be slippery, so tread carefully. Now if you're planning to visit, here's what you need to know. The best time to go is between March and October when the weather is just right. Bring plenty of water, snacks, good hiking shoes, and of course, your camera to capture the magic. And don't forget to hire a local guide if it's your first time. They'll make your journey smoother and safer. Oh, and pro tip on your way back, stop by Hannah Lake for even more natural beauty. Pir Gaib isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or a deeper connection to nature, this hidden paradise has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, hit the road, and let Pir Gaib take your breath away. And hey, if you enjoyed this sneak peek into paradise, give this video a like, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more epic adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.